And if you look at my chart up here, it is obviously profiting, it's increasing. If you look at the time and date up here that I'm showing you guys, it is the 5th of February 2020 and time is 7:31. So I'm going to leave this running for a while, and I'll just want you guys to see how long it actually takes for me to profit. So it's been playing for 13 minutes from 7:04 to let's go with 7:08. 7:08, which is 111. So we made $6. Hey guys, I let it play over time and just I'll give it a rest. As you can see, it's at 0.0089, and that will be $126. At the beginning it was at 7.4, which was $105, so we basically profited $20, and it is 8:13, so basically half an hour, 45 minutes. And I'm gonna let it play again on its own and see how much we make. Alright guys, as you can see, it's now 8:28. Up here is the 5th of February 2020, and as before, we started with 0.0074 in bitcoins, which is $105.85. If you look to my left here on my balance, over time we have made 0.0095, which will be about $135.89. If I add that one, it's $136. As you can see, it's 951, and within an hour, it's 8:29. We've made $31 in 1 hour.